The next member statement, the member for Oshawa.
Thank you, Speaker. And today is International Women's Day. And Speaker, I'm going to say first that women across this province deserve respect and appreciation for their work, care and sacrifice throughout this pandemic. We have seen women on the front lines across fields and jurisdictions, but we know that many of the vulnerable and essential worker jobs are predominantly female, and many of those women are racialized and further marginalized. Consider the never-ending work of caregivers and personal support workers, PSWs who have been on the front lines in long-term and seniors care, working with vulnerable neighbours in their homes who can't get fair wages or adequate training and who work relentlessly without fair or safe staffing levels. We call our healthcare workers heroes, but many of them are women, and they have had to fight for PPE and respect from the beginning. Education workers are predominantly female, and we've seen how diminished, disrespected, and exploited they have been by this government during this pandemic. And why? Because they cost money to employ, Speaker. Also, they work in a field with children. We've seen how poorly regarded they have been over this past year. Women work in every field, and we need to ensure there are clear paths to employment, training, and fair compensation for them. We've heard that we are in a she session, and there will not be the economic recovery we all need without a feminist recovery. This government has to reverse the cuts to shelters, rape crisis centres, women's services and programs. Skills training, accessible employment supports, pay equity, childcare and paid sick days all must be a part of this government's plan if they really want to raise the status of women in this province, and that is hoping that they do. On this International Women's Day, we must commit to ensuring a brighter and safer path ahead for all women. Thank you.